Hi everyone, we are Team Diversity. Here's our product Struct. Struct is an automatic structural design software backed with machine learning. So what problem are we solving? We are targeting the structural design process. And the main part of structural design is reinforcement design. Reinforcement design can include the beam, slab, column, and sections design, which can take up to 70% of the total labor hours. It is a highly repeated process and also mind-burning due to the correlation between standard and also the overall design consideration. Here comes to our solution. It is a software which can automate the reinforcement design. The mechanism is simple. It takes two recipes as an input, which is architectural drawing and final element analysis results. And after processing, it will output the CD command script. And this script can be used to execute it in CD to produce the finished reinforcement drawing. In this way, it highly boosts the productivity and also reduces the design duration.
Let's introduce the minimum viable product. The minimum viable product in stage 1 has sufficient features to satisfy the customer's needs. It can provide satisfactory output and the interaction between user and software. Struct will show the proposed reinforcement size and position in the drawing and display a prompt to ask the user's agreement for every step of reinforcement. The correction by the user provides feedback to further development. The user will be able to track and correct every step the computer performs. This means the user just needs to use his instinct to judge the computer results. In conclusion, Struct will save a fair amount of human thinking and time-consuming drawings and allow the designer to keep track of everything. The following stage 2, Struct provides an output of the final product. The user has the ability to control the global output by adjusting the parameters. In stage 3, Struct provides an automated output of the final product. This means there is no need for human correction. The difference between the final stage 4 and stage 3 is the support of multiple input and output file formats.
The value proposition for our project is critical to making it a successful business model. The first is Struct's ability to adapt to local standards without the need to hire local professionals. This means reduced cost for a business and greater profit margin. This cloud-based technology will allow linking experiences from remote companies, which will of course help train the model better. In addition to reducing labor cost, this will also reduce the development time and will simplify the drawing process. By drawing automated designs, this will completely eliminate the need for tedious work. We believe this technology will also reduce the error rate. The next challenge is to develop customer relationships as they are the most critical part of our business. But in order to do so, we first need to identify our customer base. After our research, we have identified universities as a potential customer. By motivating students and professors to use Struct, we can ensure students have the required skills needed upon graduation. This will also act as a motivation for companies to use Struct because the potential next generation employees will be trained in it. This is where our second customer base comes in. These companies can decide to use Struct because not only it will improve efficiency, it will also help companies finish projects ahead of the budget and time. Lastly, we have identified 3 ways to reach our customers. We will approach them by having phone meetings, having an office demo to show off our technology, and also participate in various trade events, which is of course a very potential place to gain possible customers. By demonstrating the functionalities and benefits, we'll be able to develop meaningful customer relationships. And of course, it's critical to maintain a close relationship with customers because that will also improve Struct on a continuous basis.
Finally, here are the 3 main channels of distribution. Firstly, via fair exhibitions. Through this kind of demonstration, we wish to raise awareness about our product and thereby introducing the same to the industry. Secondly, by approaching EA, that is Engineers Australia, we can be sure that our standards are in line with the current Australian standards, making sure that our product is trustworthy. Lastly, at a later point in time, we hope to collaborate with Autodesk and integrate our product with theirs since they have a stronghold in the industry.